Johnny Cantrell, Texas Nissan of Grapevine. Buying a new car just got a whole lot easier with Texas Nissan's fast and easy online car buying. Simply select the vehicle that you want, select your financing that you want, and your new ride can be delivered to your doorstep. It truly is that simple. You'll still get the expertise you want when it comes to purchasing a vehicle. Shop hundreds of new and used vehicles hassle-free with transparent pricing all online. And chat at any time with one of our team members if you have any questions about our store, a vehicle, or our fast and easy buying process. Once you've found the vehicle you'd like to purchase at TexasNissan.com, click on our Fast and Easy button to start your online buying process. Next, decide whether or not to lease or purchase with the Fast and Easy Payment Calculator, which can also easily adjust your financing rates to get the best rate to match your budget. And get your trade-in evaluated online with our online trade appraiser. Once you've made all your selections, you schedule your pickup or delivery to your home or office, just 15 minutes paperwork and signing, then you're on your way. All this at no extra cost. Pick your car, pick your financing, get it delivered. Shop fast and easy at TexasNissan.com.